best friend. She says, yes, sir. I'm getting all of you there. Go. Yep. Hat. Good. I'm back. You're supposed to kick the target back, not the target kick you back. Hey. Get some? Uh-huh. Go. Good. Stand at me like you're in trouble or something. Go. Alright, so whoever knocks this down, I will give you $5. I don't think anybody's getting $5 there. No? No? Oh, say it. You're nowhere near close, I'm sorry. Why do you guys like to keep down here? Up here. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Very boring. Very painful. Keep going. Everybody but Nicholas, get up. Is your name Nicholas? Then you don't get up. So don't get up. I said everybody but Nicholas. Get down. I like how you keep talking back. You. Oh. Go. Ian. His name is nowhere near Nicholas. Come on.
Did they get in trouble? Mm-hmm.